All right. Today is the day after Christmas. And oh, hi, I'm Lon Kieffer, also known as the Retired Comic. Thanks for being here. This is hopefully going to be the first of some new video standards. Today, the day after Christmas 2025, I'm checking out a microphone, remote Bluetooth microphone that was given to me for Christmas, and I want to see if it works because I need better volume on these videos. I'm also, as a New Year resolution, going to embrace more and more the retired comic and less the employed healthcare professional. I'm on that edge. I don't know. I know it's confusing. Just maybe stay along and I'll explain it over time and have tried in the past. But I want to get better at it. And in order to do that, I got to get better at editing. So that's what this video is going to be about, me playing around, seeing if I can actually edit. Now, I'm going to walk away to see if the volume on this thing is really working or not. And so after I'm done doing this, I'll come back up. I should walk backwards every now and then because that's better for my knees. But we're just testing the microphone out now to see if this is going to work. I had a different rig. I think this is called a SmallRig. I had a different one, and I kept screwing it up. I kept shooting video, and the audio wasn't there. So hopefully this is the end of the test, and then we're just going to do some chores today. Have a good 0 day mentally, except for trying to figure out this video stuff. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to check the video for volume. Wow. Can I tell you what? I'm impressed with myself, or more accurately, I'm impressed with this SmallRig. The first test went well. I don't trust it, so I don't want to videotape for too long without checking it again. But so to do that, I got to get better at these videos. It's not a big deal, though, because I'm having fun, even if these videos aren't turning out that great. And some of you are telling me you're enjoying these things. To be truthful, most of the people that seem to enjoy these are people that at some level I've met in person, whether it's at a show or in my career or whatnot. But today is going to just be fun, experimenting and playing around in the yard and cleaning up. And I'm getting really good at doing things without doing things. Like, for example, if I was really fixated on getting all these sticks up and burning them in this fire instead of enjoying my day, I'd get the wheelbarrow, which is behind the camera there, and I'd walk around and I'd go boom, 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 boom. Stick, 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 wheelbarrow. Don't you wish you could just have a good day like that? I don't even know if that got caught in the screen. That's Louie. He's been with us about 6 months now. And those who've been around for a while might remember Chance. He passed, and we went a year in the household without a dog, and dogs they're a responsibility, and I'm trying to avoid responsibilities these days, but man, he brings so much fun to my life. Did you get it out of you, buddy? You good? I don't remember what I was saying. Oh, yeah, just like Louie. He's doing crazy eights, and I'm just putzing around doing projects. But I'm not trying to necessarily get the projects done. I'm just trying to relax. Good boy. Come on. Don't drink that. You got all kinds of water to drink. You got a whole river to drink. Don't drink that dirty water, buddy. Stop! Look what I found, buddy. Still not sure this microphone's working. I'll check again. And if it is, you're probably just hearing all kinds of heavy breathing, so I apologize for that. But this is kind of my exercise. This is how I work out. Get my cardio. What are you doing, bud? Come on. Damn it. Whew. Come on. Come on. Yeah, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, bud. You got to get off of that. Daddy's old and out of shape. Good boy. Yeah, you're making everybody think you're a little angel. I don't know if he's done it yet on camera, but he keeps jumping on this tarp and playing Tug-of-War, and now he's acting like an angel. It never ends. But I'm not complaining. I found a guy, as a matter of fact, he's inspired me about how to edit these videos better. His name's Eric, and he's a homeless guy, and he has a video channel, and I find myself being jealous of him. He's on all these journeys, and he never seems to be too stressed, and he's just very honest and relaxed. Now, I'm kidding, of course. I wouldn't last a minute, maybe a week, homeless, and then I'd probably end up in an emergency room somewhere. But hey, Louie, come on, come here, bud. He makes it look easy and fun, but I'm sure it's not. All right, it's starting to do something, sleet or snow or rain, I don't know, and some people are starting to walk by. Louie, come here, come on, bud. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Wow, good boy, come on. That's such a good boy. So I'm gonna cut this short. This is just about me trying to figure out these videos anyway, and this is how I let humor work during yard work. I don't take it too seriously, try and enjoy it along the way, and just stay busy, keep going. And thanks for being here, and I'll see you on a show sometime soon. This channel is going to be more about the journey of behind the scenes on shows with little clips, but I hope to get better at editing. I've got to, and we'll see you around. Let humor work. It all starts with a smile. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dude. Come on, man. No matter where you sit, the smoke finds you. So how'd we do? If you stuck with us this far, you're in a position to know how we did with this audio. And look, I can't move. This is a perfect shot. Whew. Anyway, how'd we do? If you got any tips, let me know. I just want to get better at things. I got a DIY personality, and I enjoy doing this, but I'm still learning how. But thanks for being here. Enjoy your day. Let humor work. And if you know the Fritzmas family, let me know in the comments. We'll find them.